Tini is everything our customers wanted and much more. Tini is a single-jet underwater scooter. It can go as fast as 1.4 meters per second or as low as 1.1 meters per second. Portable and compact. Whiteshark Tini, easily stored in its travel case, backpacks, or luggages. Tini is easy to assemble without needing any extra tools. The lithium battery is compliant with airline regulations. Designed to be modular, easily turn Whiteshark Tini into a dual motor scooter to double the power, increasing the speed to 2 meters a second, making it the world's fastest dual motor scooter. Switch the controls to suit your preference. Now for the fun part. We created Whiteshark Tini with families and friends in mind. Tini is powerful enough to tow up to 2 divers so that you can share amazing adventures with loved ones. Document your adventure using the smartphone or action camera mount. We also created an add-on for our little water enthusiasts. This is the Inflatable Kickboard. Created for younger swimmers, Tini is great for adults and children. Enjoy a fun afternoon with your family in the water.